Hi, this is Chef Emily, and today I'll give you another tutorial for our EMP gum paste. I'll be showing you how to make our beautiful, easy to make poppy flowers, leaves, and fillers. Come and join me today. For the center of our poppy flower or poppy flower, we'll be needing at least 1 centimeter of gum paste. Okay, and then from top we will push down the wire, and then if you have something like this or a mesh or anything that or a strainer, kung ano man yung available sa inyo. Ito kasi yung nasa tabi ko ngayon, so pink, bagong bili ko siya. So I tried if maganda ba itsura niya pag ito ginamit ko. So let me see kung ano magiging itsura niya pag itong ginamit ko. Okay, mukhang promising. Tchanan! Yun. Okay, so mukhang okay naman yung naging center natin, right? There. Always roll your gum paste on your hand with a little bit of shortening, just a little, to put moisture. Yay! Try mo maging resourceful sa paggawa mo ng mga ganito kasi nakakatulong 'yan. You don't need to buy so many molds or silicone molds or anything na mga pangtatak. All you need to do is be creative. So I think this is nice for the center of our poppy. And then we'll leave it to dry. Now we're gonna be needing at least 30 grams of EMP gum paste. This is the one that I'm using. So nakikita ninyo, hindi ako nagamit ng dusting powder dito sa aking mat. So you don't need to do that. Or yung cornstarch kasi hindi naman siya sticky. Okay? Hindi siya sticky. Using our poppy cutter. Actually, pag bumili yung poppy cutter, ganyan siya. Pero most of the time, ginaganito ko. The Petraco Gel Color Red ang gamit ko dito to achieve this color or the poppy color. I'll be needing at least 6. And then I'll be using this, this is my silicone mold. This is the one that I'm using for the large one. Okay. Ganda, di ba? So, ito yung gamit ko to achieve my veins for my poppy. Didiyan mo na siyang ganyan. Viola. Okay, getting again your green wire. Get a little piece of gum paste or the EMP gum paste. Then, lagay mo siya dyan. Just like that. Okay, and then, dikit mo sa likod. So, yan magiging likod mo, and this will be the front of your petals. Bend, and then ilalagay na natin siya sa ating drying rack for our flowers. Once your center dries, pwede nyo na pong ilagay yung stamen natin. So, ang stamen natin ay black, and these are ready-made na nabibili natin, and then we just do it like this. And then, ilalagay na natin yung stamen sa center. Open it up. And then, put it in the center like that. And then, stretch natin yung ating floral tip. And, turn mo siyang ganito. Kalat mo yung the stamen. And, there you go. Pag marami kang stamen, you can gusto mo pang kapalan to, pwede mo pang kapalan. Kung gusto pa mas makapal pa ilagay mo. Okay? So, Now our center for our poppy is ready. For our stamen or center, we'll add a little bit of color by putting yellow color, konti lang, para mas buhay siya. Same with our buds. Let's put more highlight for our buds. This time, a little bit of green at the bottom of our buds. Huwag mo masyado ipapress yung iyong airbrush para hindi mo siya makulayan lahat. All you need is just to put a little bit of color from different side of your leaves para meron lang siyang konting dark part ng iyong green. Mas nabubuhay ang ating leaves. Now, even if this is already red, we will color this still with airbrush para mas tumingkad pa yung kulay niya. See the big difference between the non-airbrush petal. Mas tumingkad at nagkabuhay yung ating flowers. Now, let's leave this for at least 30 minutes bago natin siya assemble to completely dry the flowers, the petals. Alright, now time to assemble our poppy. So, we're just gonna do it one petal at a time. So, once na ilalagay mo na siya sa ilalim like that, stretch your floral tape. It's one. Roll again, two. And last, three. So this will be your inner petals. And then, wrap it all down till the end of your stem. Then arrange your petals accordingly. Alright, there you have it. You have your beautiful poppies ready to be assembled to your cakes. I hope you enjoy our simple tutorial for today, and if you're interested to learn the recipe that I'm using for the EMP Gumpaste, it is available for our online class. Just send a message at Cake Style, Tutorials, and Baking Supply. That's our page, or to Miss Hansel Sol, my page manager. For the workshops, you may also visit our videos and other tutorials from my Chef Emily Facebook page. Join us at Cake Artists and Bakers Network Philippines. That's our Facebook community. And of course, visit my YouTube. Likes and subscribe, Cakes and Lifestyle with Chef Emily. This is Chef Emily Peralta, and have a good day.